Yo, Alex Jenkins checking in. Got 2 minutes left on this trade on your USD. I did a trade, a sale on 23.88. Bought five contracts at $32.25. Market's coming at 23.81. Sorry about that. I got in this trade for like an hour and 9 minutes, so probably about an hour ago. I caught it at the top right here. I tried to get 89, 2090. But 2088 was about the best price I could possibly get at the time. So I had to live with that. So we got a minute, 30 minutes left on this trade. Nadex is about to close their exchange for about an hour, so it's not going to be back open until about 6. So winning this trade, too bad y'all can't see the balance, but I won't be able to see it as well. But apparently, I finished the week with 526 in profit last week. That was Thursday and Friday. Finished off was starting off. I'm currently at 1-1 trade. I'm up 5.99. So I made a few bucks. Bought one contract in the trade earlier. There we go. Profits. Profits. Under 30 seconds left on the trade. Number 20. We're still rocking. We'll see how I make this trade. This is pretty much a trend that's starting to try to go up. It has the support here, so it's still very close to support. All right, trade's over. That's a victory. And that'll be it. I was checking out.